jacket. It's ski trip time, and so I'm gonna get my procrastination out of the way and go get the stuff that I need because I have nothing. Okay, so I think this is what we're gonna end up going with. I had to get these like overalls because it was all I had in a medium, and there was no smalls, but this medium fits me really well, so I felt like a nice I don't know, cowgirl or something. Who wears overalls? And then this jacket. I wanted something a little more insulated for skiing. I've never been. I assume I will be freezing. So, and it matches, which is always a plus, right? So, wait, I need to be. What is happening? Oh, Tim is calling me.
On the street.
There.
Yeah.
Tim is calling.
Sometimes when I sweat, my cheeks become really moist. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. What about you, Beer?
I don't sweat. I try to avoid all physical activity.
We made it. Who are you rooming with?
I'm rooming with Leora,
No.
Andrea, Eric, and Beryl.
No. Who are you rooming with?
I don't know, Beryl, Eric, and Andy.
Oh yeah, Andy. And then
Sharing a bed with who?
Is that two?
yeah,
I'm sharing a bed with
Beryl?
Eric, Andy, Jack.
we're putting the
Beryl.
beds together.
Yeah.
Oh,
A super
sorry.
bed.
That wasn't a question. That wasn't a question.
Sleepover. Look how pretty this is. These couches are hella comfortable. I was very confused for a moment.
You just walk in straight to the cookie.
What are you wearing? Oh my,
It's a crochet beer.
Is it good?
where did you get that?
Yeah, you gotta get
Andrew, why don't you hang out with the rest of the Asians?
What? They don't invite me anywhere.
So this is our room. Andrew and I are gonna be sharing a bed.
Who else are you?
I'll be in that bed.
No. And two of our classmates will be sharing the king, and another one will be on this pull-out. Andrew's shoe is falling apart. Duct tape solves everything.
Yeah.
Should I wrap it around under too?
Yeah, do it. I know.
Ice skates.
That's perfect, thank you.
He wants to make sure those bad boys are not coming off.
Save the day.
Oh my, get up.
Have you come to see our room?
Yes.
We need to get more blankets, because I'm gonna be cold.
There's in here.
No, they only came with 2 sheets.
You can. That's unfortunate.
I know. Hi, Rashawn. Welcome to the vlog.
A good hearty birthday.
I was gonna eat my cupcake too. Or is it a cupcake or a muffin?
There's frosting on it.
It's a cupcake.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. No, my stomach hurt.
Good morning. So we got a nice zipper here so that I can fit in these bad boys. And we are wearing leggings, sweatpants, and these nice
Sweatpants,
overalls. I know. Well, I'd be sweating.
Probably.
Better to be warm.
Yeah.
Fine.
It'll be a good sweat.
And then I have big gloves over there, hat, gogs,
Cogs.
net gator,
The mess.
and another jacket. I feel like I'm gonna be real toasty on the bunny slopes.
Yeah.
Do you think this buffet is worth 16?
Yes.
When you're hungry, yes. Yeah, Andy has my GoPro. So wait, what slopes have you done today?
All the blacks, all the blues, all the greens,
You're such a liar. You have not.
all the blues though. I'll beat all the blues.
Can you do black?
We haven't gone down yet. Maybe.
Are you gonna try?
I'm too tired. Hang out with you.
Bunny slope. Tim, tell everyone how I did today so far.
Leora can't get up by herself.
Wait, no, I just watched a video on 3 different ways, right? Tommy, We're gonna try
I'm
them.
gonna try it today.
Perfect. Leora, you know, at first she was a little iffy. I was like, man, we're probably gonna be here for another 4 hours just to get down this bunny slope. But then, all of a sudden, she gets up there, she's doing her turns, big S's with the pizza, and then she was slicing up the snow. Yeah, and so now she's a pro, but then she gave up. Like, she wanted to take a break. Basically, she gave up. So she probably got bad again. So we're gonna be on the bunny slope for another 4 hours trying to get her back to where she was before she took that break. Yeah.
Thank you for your muscle, helping me get up. You have to tell me what you thought of me going down the green. Freaking killed it. Did so well. I'm very surprised. I thought you were gonna say that you hated it.
No, look at. No, she's sarcastic.
No, really? You went down an entire mountain. Think about that. I was crying. On your first day of skiing. Like, what? I know. Tim forced me. He did. Remind me to like get back at him for almost killing me today. But you survived. That's all that matters. Did you do black?
Yeah, I
How was
wiped out.
it? You wiped out?
Yeah,
You
I wiped out a couple times.
You were snowboarding, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One?
It wasn't even a full one.
It was like a half one.
A quarter.
Try not to spill.
High and low of the trip.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, what is
God.
happening?
Oh my god!
He's driving. How is he gonna eat that?
Just like that. Sure, I'll think about
Oh, okay.
it. Oh wait, I took you.
Not allowed. My camera's freezing. High and low of the trip. Oh,
Alright.
you want me to go first?
What
Yeah.
were your?
Wait, I'm gonna go first.
Oh.
I'd say low would be thinking I was going to die going down the green. High would be just hanging out with everyone. It was fun. Getting to know like Eleni and Alexis and Rashawn and all people's weird quirks.
All what?
Oh
People's weird quirks. What about you?
Yeah. I got to know Tim really well today. Like,
Oh yeah.
really well.
In a good or bad way? Is that your high or low?
I would say, well, no, that was a good, okay, when I was originally thinking that my
Okay.
high was like surviving the black diamond that we went down.
She's kind of a BA.
Oh, what?
Badass.
Oh. But, yeah, it was really nice getting to know everyone on like a deeper level.
Yeah.
So I don't think I have a low. Oh, the low was my fever last night and me
Oh.
wanting to die.
Oh no.